See one? Huh?
Alright, man, talk to you later.
Bro, that's a head of a fish, bro. They look so nice.
Middle of the day, blackfin tuna. They usually say they don't bite it this time, but I figured put it out.
We seal the deal, right?
That's right, that's it. That is
Nice
strong.
one.
As a matter of fact, it's about that time.
They look strong.